Hey there, are you ready to talk about session 12? We are getting so close to the end, and session 12 actually starts to talk about the future. So it is time to get registered for your classes for the upcoming semesters. Isn't that exciting? So session 12 is going to have you do a journal. It is a journal entitled The Late Paper. And this talks about at the end of the semester how a student makes some difficult choices, probably not the best choices, and they don't get their final paper turned in on time, and how it costs this student an entire semester worth of hard work. So do some reflection on this journal and make sure that this does not happen to you. And then you are going to move into getting ready to register for the summer and or the fall semesters. So you have your plan that you created with your advisor. That was submitted as part 3 of your advisor meeting assignment in session 9. That is the plan that you follow. So if your plan had summer classes, then you're going to register for all the summer classes first. Then you're going to switch over and register for all the fall classes second. So you'll see on your screen, activity 2 is actually a link that takes you to step-by-step directions of how to register yourself in WebAdvisor. You are going to be able to do this anytime after Monday, March the 28th. Don't try to do it at midnight because WebAdvisor does all sorts of crazy updates throughout the night. But starting Monday morning, I would say 7:30, 8 o'clock would be a safe time. Go ahead, if you are able, and start trying to register. You can do this after Monday as well, but if you are really looking for specific classes, especially specific days and times, you need to make sure that you register as early as possible. Once you follow those step-by-step directions and get yourself registered, then you will take a screenshot of your schedule and you will put that in your next semester schedule's assignment submission link. Now keep in mind, this is due in session 12. So if you don't get registered immediately on March the 28th, that's okay. It's totally fine. You can take a few days and get yourself together because the next semester schedule is not due until the deadline for session 12. So don't panic, but go ahead and start working towards getting there. Some of you may not be able to register yourself. Some of you may need to work with an advisor in order to get registered based upon certain restrictions on your accounts. You know who you are. You've received an email from me if that applies to you. So you need to be making sure that during the week of March the 28th, you're making every effort that you can to either get into the advising center or see your advisor in order to get registered. Do not delay. Go ahead and get started getting registered for the summer and the fall. The earlier, the better. That way you have plenty of time in case something goes wrong to make sure that you have a schedule to submit for this deadline. That's it. That's it for session 12. And then, guess what? We have session 13, session 14, and session 15 left. And then that's it. The semester will be complete. All right, you guys have a fantastic day. Email me if you have any questions or concerns.